Hi, this is James from DigFin. I'm here with my colleagues James and Larissa because next week is the start of Chinese New Year.
We wanted to celebrate the Chinese New Year with some predictions about Chinese fintech and techfin.
This year marks the Year of the Pig, and the Year of the Pig traditionally brings wealth and prosperity. So we hope that our predictions make you a little bit fatter.
I don't need any help in that department, unfortunately. So yeah, Larissa, why don't you tell us what you think is going to happen in terms of mainland Chinese tech companies getting virtual banking licenses in Hong Kong?
So for the first time, the internet giants in China have access to banking license in a global financial center like Hong Kong. I think this year will be a period of experimentation. We may not see much right away, but it is a tipping point. For the first time, the Chinese techfin is competing directly with Western banks. I want to ask James if crypto will make a comeback.
I don't think we're going to see a great deal in the SDO market or any other trading ideas for that matter, unless we see real innovation with the underlying use cases. That being said though, I think we're still going to see a big push towards institutionalization. But we really need more clarity, transparency, and definitely regulation. So my question for you, James, will Ant Financial go IPO this year?
So there's been a lot of gloom around Ant and other Chinese mainland tech companies going IPO. A lot of concerns around what's in their credit portfolios and anybody with a P2P wealth management business. But I think, particularly in Ant's case, this is probably overdone. These fears are overblown. And so my prediction is that Ant Financial will at least file for an IPO in Hong Kong before the end of the Lunar New Year. Larissa, what should we expect from trade finance?
For me, the keyword is platform. First, the blockchain-powered trading platform. Europe's WeTrade has been in operation for a while. I hope Hong Kong's eTrade Connect will have some real deployments this year. Second, it's a battle to build the platform for cross-border e-sellers. Alibaba is used to winning, but don't underestimate the competitors such as Lianlianpay. James, I have a question. Do you think the global managers will use more digital distribution channel, especially in mainland China?
So asset managers have traditionally been very slow to innovate. These guys don't even have answers to ETFs, let alone things like robo-advisors. Sure, a few have purchased little stakes in these guys, but that's mainly so that they can access underlying client bank accounts. So I don't think this year we're going to see a massive push for digital distribution channels in mainland China. So another question for you, James. The Chinese government is about to announce their blueprint for the Greater Bay Area. What's this going to be about? What's going to happen?
Well, I don't know exactly, but I think that one area that they're interested in is trying to help insurance companies in Hong Kong sell things like health insurance to people living in Guangdong and Macau. But to make any of these a business reality, the Greater Bay Area has to come up with a solution around how do you manage the problem of mainland China's capital controls. You've got to have some kind of payments channel that you can bake in. So I predict that this February 21st announcement will include some kind of pilot project that will look like a cross between what WeChat Pay is already experimenting with to try to allow Hong Kongers to use their bank accounts on WeChat in mainland, combined with like a blockchain that provides clarity over who's paying for exactly what service, and this way it can be controlled and monitored.
Really?
Just a guess.
Big prediction there.
Big prediction, I don't know.
Sure.
We covered so many things.
That's how we like to do things at DigFin. So from all of us, we wish you a prosperous Chinese New Year.
Gong hei fa choi, gong xi fa cai.